Probably 20 years ago, a periodontist told me that I had receding gums, and just that I've known that it was headed in this direction.
Carolyn's one of the nicest patients that we've treated. She'd had a lot of old dentistry in the past, and we had talked to her about coming up with a plan. Maybe come in and one day we could remove all of her teeth, place implants, and have her walk out with a pre-made temporary so that she could get on with her life and go enjoy it. And that's what we came up with, and the result's been phenomenal so far.
Dr. Strauss is the lead surgeon here at Charleston Oral and Facial Surgery Center. Dr. Strauss is extremely talented. He is an innovative leader in our community. The patient is being cared for. The patient's surgery is efficient. And he also communicates with the patient and the referring specialists because he makes sure that the relationship that we have with our specialist is cohesive and is efficient.
Since I was an associate when I first came in here, I spent months, observing Dr. Strauss, Dr. Serathy, and humbly learning, how to run a private practice. I would say Dr. Strauss is extremely efficient.
One thing that we all love is trying to make it better, so we're always trying to think of better ways, not just on how to run the business, but also patient experience, what we can do.
He is very, very concerned with making sure we maintain the cutting edge technology. And so we call him around here the idea guy, the idea man. He comes at our business meetings, he comes to the table with all these ideas. He's always looking for ways to improve the practice.
We were introduced to Neodent about a year ago, and ever since we've started using it, we've found that it's just been a wonderful system for us.
Some of the clinical benefits of using Neodent are the simplicity of implant placement, the surgical kit, the phenomenal primary stability that gives the surgeon confidence to immediate load a lot of these cases.
It also has the same platform no matter what diameter implant we use, which makes it easy both for the full arch cases for us and also for our referrals during their restorative process, because they don't have to have a lot of different tooling and different sizing, which is very nice.
We're very, very fortunate to have Dr. Strauss in the Charleston area as an innovative leader that leads the community in terms of oral surgery.
When you consider a surgery like this, when you're sort of putting everything on the line, you just have to look around and talk to people and find the most talented people that you can find to do the work that counts so much for everything in your life. So that's why I chose Dr. Strauss.